Nowadays I'm hustling outside the box. From where I was, nigga, I'm better like I pull out my socks. As a man, you gotta be wise. You gotta think wide.
Now that we have all our parts, I'm going to open a new file, and this file is going to be assembly. We're now assembling. Okay, so if you go there, it's going to open on browse. Okay, so you go to the folder which you saved your parts, right? Okay, and you select all your parts. Okay, and you click on open. Okay, so this one, I'm going to start with the base. Okay, so as you can see, you see this one, I'm going to rotate it. Okay, I'm going to rotate it again. I'm going to rotate it to the Y. Okay, like this. And I have this one, I'm going to rotate it to the X. Rotate it to the X. And I'm going to rotate it to Y. Okay, like this. And now we have, this is our bush. And now we have our shaft. And finally, we have our whip. Okay, like this. Okay, so now in assembly, if you want to make the surfaces, we choose coincident, and if you want to make the circles, we choose concentric. So I'm going to go to mate right here. So now I want to make this surface, so I'm going to select this surface, and I'm going to choose this surface, and that type of mating is called concentric, it's called coincident. Okay, like this one. And now I want to line up this circle with this circle, so I'm going to come and select this circle. I've selected this circle, not the surface. If you select the surface, it won't work. And select this. Okay, so you click on mate. I've selected this circle. I'm going to select this circle, and after that I'm going to click on concentric here, and okay. Okay, and if you do that, you see it's already lined up. And now I want to first mate. Okay, let me first mate the surface. I'm going to choose this surface and this surface. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. And second, I'm going to choose this one, this circle, and this circle, and it's now concentric, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so that's how you assemble. Okay, and now I have a bush here. Okay, so I need another bush, so I'm going to click on control. So I'm going to first cancel here. So I need two bushes, so I'm going to click control, and after I click control and drag the mouse, that's duplicating. So that means now I have two bushes. Okay, and I would like to rotate my bush. Okay, so this is my bush. Let me rotate it. Okay, I think it's now good. So first of all, I'm going to start by selecting this surface. Let me go to mate. This surface with this surface are coincident. Okay, and I'm going to select OK, just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to select this circle with this circle, and that is going to be concentric, and I'm going to click OK. And if we do that, you can see my bush is now here, and I'm going to choose this surface and this surface. I want to choose OK. Okay, so as you can see, my bush is now lined up, and I'm going to come again, select this circle, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to rotate here with this circle. That is going to be concentric, and it's now done. Okay, so I have something like this. Now it's time to put this axle. So the axle is already on the same surface with this one, so on the same direction. I'm going to select this surface. Okay, I think I can even just select the concentric in the first place, because I want to just select this circle, and I'll come and select. Okay, so let me just choose this circle, the concentric. I want to click OK. So now you can see that my shaft is now inside, but it's not at the center. I don't want to stress myself. There's a type of mating that is found on the advanced mates. So I'm going to click on width. So after clicking on width, I'm going to select this wall, and I'm going to select this wall, right? And after that, I'm going to select the wall of this axle. I'm going to select the wall of that axle too, and I'm just going to click OK. And if you do that, you are going to have your axle at the center of your bush bearings. Okay, now we're moving on to the wheel. So the wheel is in the same direction, so there's no need for coincidence. So I'm going to select this circle, and I'm going to select the circle of the bush, which is right here, and they're going to meet by concentric. Okay, so let me cancel here, cancel the width on the advanced mates. So I'm going to just choose ordinary mate right here. So now this is the circle, and now this is the circle of the bush bearing. Okay, like this by concentric. Okay, it's not on the center. What we're going to do, we're going to repeat that process again. Going to move on to advanced, and after that we're going to select width. And if we select width, we're going to choose, okay, let me choose this side 1. I'm going to choose this side 2. Okay, now I'm going to choose this face. Let me just choose this face of the wheel 1. I'm going to choose this face of the wheel 2, and I'm going to click OK. And if you do that, you're going to see now my wheel is at the center, and you can see I've assembled my parts correctly. And now I can click OK and click Save As, and it's now done. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.